Did you know that a popular German practice called Lüften is making its way across the Atlantic? Lüften, or airing out, involves opening windows wide for just 5 to 10 minutes to refresh indoor air quality. This method, now known as house burping in the US, effectively clears stale air, reduces humidity, prevents mold, and lowers carbon dioxide levels. Conducted multiple times a day, even in winter, it ensures a healthier indoor environment. As we embrace this efficient and eco-friendly approach, let's open up to cleaner air and better living, because a breath of fresh air can truly transform your home.